The XT600 has the flexibility to produce both single and bilayer tablets. A bilayer conversion kit can be adapted to the machine at any time, which includes the components to ensure individual layer weight control, first layer sampling, and absolute separation of layers. The KORSCH XT600 in a bilayer mode utilizes only a single discharge chute on the left side of the machine for tablet production. The discharge chute on the right side serves for first layer tablet sampling. The two zero-clearance feeders without external recirculation feature a large seal around each feeder opening. They are configured with an integrated dust extraction manifold, which cleans the die table and eliminates any potential for cross-contamination between the layers. The automated layer sampling capability offers a first layer hardening function with the main compression station that will ensure that the first layer tablet is hard enough for offline weight measurement. The first layer ejection unit is adjustable to permit automated first layer sampling at production speeds. The individual force is monitored at the tamping and final compression station for the control of each layer weight with closed-loop feedback to a servo motor on each dosing cam.